Hey, this is Eric with Eric Burton Reviews. How does Forex trading work really? Well, with the proprietary indicators that we're going to show you, Trade Our Money is going to help you to understand how you're supposed to start trading, what indicators you're supposed to start to follow to the T, to the letter. And these are some of those indicators. We call them the TNT indicators, the pressure indicators, and even the vector indicators that we get into more advanced trading. And in the next video, you're going to see the example of the trades that we make consistently. And you want to make sure that you click the link below to get your free coaching call and watch our free training webinar. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Brian, and I wanted to share with you a simple trade strategy that uses just one of our proprietary indicators. So what we're looking at right now is a basic 5-minute candle chart for the euro and the US dollar currency pair. The green candles, of course, means price is going up, and the red candles means price is going down. And the wonderful thing about trading Forex currency is that money can be made from both buying and shorting the market. So I'll select just one of our proprietary indicators to add to the chart. These red and green lines display trade activity that typically have a major impact on the market. So when these lines are above this blue line, that means we're likely dealing with an overbought market, and I'd be on the lookout for a sell trade. And when these lines are below this red line, that means we're likely dealing with an oversold market, and I'd be on the lookout for a buy trade. So all I do is just look at the edge of this indicator, and I wait for a pattern to develop. And let me show you what I mean. Okay, right now this green and the green and red lines are pointing up into the overbought region. And as the market advances, I now see them both pointing down and crossing into the channel. And when I see this pattern, I know it's typically a good time to enter the market with a sell trade. So my lot size is set at 1, which means a point, which is the smallest movement of price, has a value of $1. I always use a stop loss to protect my trade. And in this case, if the market moves 200 points against me, my trade will automatically close for a loss of $200. But I also use a take profit, and it's set at 100 points, and that means when the market moves 100 points in my favor, my trade will automatically close for a $100 profit. So I'll go ahead and click sell, and this red line represents my stop loss, and this yellow line represents my entry price, and this green line is my take profit target. And remember, for sell or short trades, we want the market to go down. So let's see what happens. And sure enough, the market goes down and easily captures $100 in profit. And now I'm looking for a buy trade. And here it is. Both lines are pointed up and crossing into the channel. So I'll click buy. And the market moves up and I capture more profit. So I'm going to take a trade every time the pattern develops, which is crossing down into the channel for a sell and crossing up into the channel for a buy. And here's another sell and another buy. And I'll stop here with a sell trade, because by now you should have a pretty good idea of how awesome this indicator is. I've reached a total profit of $700 from 7 consecutive trades. Okay, it's not a bad way to spend the morning.
I have been really reluctant to get into this with my limited knowledge and open up my savings account. Uncle Bill said the only thing harder than making a buck is keeping a buck, and I'm determined to do it. With this program, I will not trade my money for at least the first year. And I believe a lot of people that trade this money only use the company money. When I get to the point where I consider myself a successful trader over a period of time, I will bring some of my money in this to trade. But until then, I'm going to trade their money and I'm going to learn on their money, because that's apparently what they want me to do.
And I actually got a chance to watch a lot of them, even though I was in a different state, but they have it online and you can go on it and send a question, and the coach will actually respond your question while they're doing the webinar. So you get a chance to actually get some, it's almost like a class basically. And you can ask a question, they'll respond it, and you can keep asking questions and they'll respond eventually, you know, as long as it's till the end of the webinar. But I do like it that the fact that they show you, you know, different strategies, different coaches. It's not just one coach you're watching, you're seeing different coaches, different strategies, different styles. So I like the chance, and plus there's a website. On the website you can just go log in and you can look at past ones. So even if I miss one, I can just go look up another, you know, older one, or, you know, a different one. So I like the vast database that they have of webinars and trainings. So they give you a lot. They really want you to succeed. You know, if they're making you trade their money, so they want you to be successful. And I see that they put a lot into us. So
I get up and take care of my kids and get them off to school in the morning, and then I start trading as soon as they're gone, and it just takes a couple of hours and I'm done for the day.
Reach your financial goals by day trading with TradeOurMoney.com, regardless of your background or previous experience. It doesn't matter if you are looking for a side income or trying to replace your full-time income or working towards retirement. With the Trade Our Money proprietary system, you can learn from a professional trader and leverage their experience for yourself as you start down the path towards financial freedom. Click on the link in the description below to schedule a free coaching consultation.